Wyze Cam OG Telephoto setup. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Wyze Cam OG Telephoto, a zoom-in Wyze camera that's great for monitoring your home or outdoor areas. If you're interested in this camera, check the links in the description below. Step 1. Download the Wyze app if you don't already have it installed. This is where you'll connect and manage your camera. Step 2. Prepare the camera and insert the SD card. When you take the camera out of the box, look at the bottom of the camera. You'll see two covers, one for the setup button and one for the SD card slot. I highly recommend adding an SD card. Even if you don't use Wyze Cloud storage, the SD card lets you record continuously and store days of footage. This is especially useful if you want to review events before or after an alert, like seeing who came down the driveway or what an animal did when it triggered the camera. To install the card, insert it with the metal pins facing the front of the camera. Push it in until it clicks into place, then close the waterproof cover to keep it protected. I'll link recommended SD cards in the description. Step 3. Power up and connect to Wi-Fi, plug in the camera, then press the setup button. You'll hear "Ready to connect." Now open the Wyze app, tap the plus symbol at the top, choose Add Device, select Cameras, then pick Wyze Cam OG. The app will search for the camera and guide you through connecting it to Wi-Fi. Important, it must be on a 2.4 GHz network. It won't work with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can name your camera. You can always change the name later. Step 4. Decide on cloud storage, optional. Wyze will then prompt you to try Cam Plus, their cloud service. This feature uploads 15-second event clips to the cloud so you can view them from anywhere. It's useful for things like package deliveries or checking who's at your door, but if you're using an SD card, you'll have continuous footage locally, which lets you see what happened before and after the event. I personally skip this step for most outdoor cameras, like driveway or wildlife cams, and only use the cloud for my front porch camera. You'll get a free trial, but if you don't cancel, they'll charge you when it ends. Step 5. Mount the camera. Now let's mount the camera. The Wyze Cam OG Telephoto is outdoor rated, meaning it's water resistant. I'm installing it on a board using 2 screws, then clicking the camera into place and aiming it where I want. The cable runs to a waterproof box where it plugs into an extension cord. If you want to plug it directly outdoors, Wyze sells a special waterproof connector. That's sold separately. Final check. And that's it. Once mounted, check the live feed in the app to make sure it's aimed correctly. Now you're ready to start recording and monitoring your home, driveway, or wildlife, whatever you need to keep an eye on.